Hey, what's up guys? So I'm here at SEMA, and this morning Valentine just released an update for the V1 Gen2 that addresses some of the biggest annoyances and issues that we've been seeing with the detector. The update is available now, and so let's go ahead and go over what the improvements and changes are to the V1 Gen2. Now, this update has 4 different changes. The biggest change, in my opinion, is a fix for the Ka falsing issue that we've been seeing now for a little while with the V1 Gen2. Now, everybody's updating now, so we're going to go ahead and start getting a sense as far as how effective this update is. But for those of you who, like me, have also been seeing a bunch of Ka band falses with the V1 Gen2, let's go ahead and update and see how well this works. Hopefully, this definitely does do the trick. The next improvement has to do with making sure that you get notified to Ka band alerts if the detector is first busy muting a different alert, such as a K band alert. So let's say, for whatever reason, the detector is muting a K-band alert, whether it was weak or you manually muted the detector or something. Now, if you then get a second Ka-band alert, that, regardless of signal strength or anything, will definitely punch through a previous mute that the detector was doing to keep other signals muted, just to make sure that you know that, hey, there's a Ka-band signal and you really need to know that. So I really like this change, just to make sure that you know if a new Ka-band signal pops up and the detector doesn't mute it inadvertently. Third, there's also been some improvements to the arrow transitions for X and K-band alerts, specifically when you're running the detector in advanced logic mode. Now the arrow transition behavior when you pass those different sources is going to behave more similarly to what you'll find when you're running the detector in other logic modes. Finally, the last change is an improvement to the Ka-band ghosting, and specifically situations where the detector reports multiple signals present, maybe 3, 4, 5, 6 Ka-band alerts when really there's only one source present. And so this latest update is going to make the bogey counter more accurate so you don't get this kind of ghosting effect with the detector displaying a whole bunch of Ka sources when there's really just one signal present. Then to update your detector, you're just going to want to grab the app for your phone and update your detector over Bluetooth. I've got a video tutorial that you can check out for that, and Valentine also has a tutorial available on their website. If you have any questions about the update, or do you want to participate in the full discussion, just hop on over to the forums. That's where everybody's chatting. I'm not going to be available today to hang out in the comments because I'm going to be busy at the show, but just want to do a quick video this morning now that the update is available. Go ahead and update your detector and keep us all posted as far as how well it works. A big thanks to Valentine for addressing some of these issues. There were some of the, I think, biggest annoyances that they had that I'd definitely experienced, like the Ka-band falsing, for example, and I'm really glad to see that they're addressing this issue and getting some fixes out for us. And so that's it for now. Thanks so much. Stay tuned for updates here from SEMA, and I'll keep you guys posted on that. Have a good day. Bye.